the workers, employees, farmers and agriculture workers have called for a general strike on 12th February 2026 against the anti-labor, anti-worker, anti-farmer policies of the union government led by Shri Narendra Modi. The general strike is the last weapon for the working class. They have agitated against the labor codes, against 100% foreign direct investment in insurance sector, allowing private sector into nuclear energy production, making a new seed bill in favor of corporate sector, and the laws against farmers and the working people of our country. But the agitations, the protest, the local strike, etc., they have conducted throughout the year. The government is not ready to hear the people, those who are making or creating the gross domestic product of our country, the GDP. Therefore, they left with no other way. They have forced to go for an All India general strike. The All India Forward Bloc, the party founded by the revolutionary hero of India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, earnestly appealed to the entire democracy-loving people of our country to support this general strike, to save the people, those who are working for our country, the workers, farmers, agriculture workers, and the employees, those who created our GDP and contributing the economic growth of our country. So this general strike is the last weapon for the working people. So I earnestly appeal to all the workers, peasants, and the democracy-loving people, the patriotic people of our country, to extend all sorts of solidarity and support to the general strike being called by the central trade unions, farmers' organizations, and independent federations of employees and workers. Jai Hind.